Welcome to my channel Brainies. In today's video, I'm going to deliver the content about the topic success in life. Success in life, it is unique for each and every individual. However, it is, as a broader category, the success in life comprises of the following: achieving personal goals, bringing fulfillment, setting a clear-cut goal and concise goal for each and every individual, learning continuously, maintaining resilience, building strong relationship, having a strong mindset, and focusing the passion on a clear pathway rather than getting distracted by others' journeys. The fundamental steps for success. Let me define success. Determine what success means for you individually and not copied by others. So identify your passions and values and set goals accordingly. Develop a vision. Create a very clear, specific vision for your life and for your goals. The growth mindset. Abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. View the challenges which you face as the opportunities. The next one is a self belief and positive. The positivity is a very great attitude. Cultivate the self efficacy and believe you deserve success. Maintain an optimistic attitude in yourself. Execution steps for success. Set the SMART goals. The SMART is the abbreviation which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound goals. Let your goals be very smart. Build good habits. Develop routines that support your goals like reading, exercises, and planning your day to day execution. Take action. Don't wait and don't delay it. Do not postpone it day by day. Start with smaller tasks and tackle difficult things, though it is scary. Stay disciplined and resilient. Perseverance is the utmost thing, so try to just face all the obstacles and the challenges by adjusting your strategies and not your goals. Prioritize your health. We say that nothing at the cost of your health. Treat your physical and mental health as a topmost priority. Only when you're healthy, you'll be able to just achieve your goals. So, these are the key steps to success. Set SMART goals. As I said, it is SMART. Plan your goal. Visualize your goal every day as if you have achieved that. Be grateful. Be grateful even for smaller things. Utter thanks as far as possible. Prioritize your health. Believe that definitely you can achieve. Have a positive attitude. Be optimistic. Seek a good mentor. A good mentor can guide you better. Break the unattainable high goals into smaller steps. If you think your goals are very high and it cannot be attained, definitely have a positive attitude that it can be attained. Make it into simpler, smaller steps. Proceed it day by day. Perseverance is the utmost important thing which helps you to just achieve the target. Consistency is very much essential. Stay positive. Feel happy about others' success. Many people say that some may be jealous about others. Actually, feeling happy about others' success is a very positive attitude. When you feel happy about others, definitely you will be self motivated and you will gain confidence about yourself. Also, be self motivated always. I personally feel that charity also helps to achieve the target. The charity, giving to others, donating, even by smaller means, donating or even a sort of help, a smaller sort of help, some means of charity definitely gives us a sense of fulfillment and sense of accomplishment, which helps to reach the target in a faster way and smoother way. Understand the mistakes. Just find out the mistakes. Even if you fail, just find out the mistakes, what it has been done, where you go wrong, and restart it once again. Rejuvenate again. Take the positivity from others, if any. Ignore the negative criticism. There may be many people to criticize you. Ignore that. Ignore the negative criticism and progress. March towards a better tomorrow. As George Eliot said that it's never too late to be what you might have been. So it's not too late to start your target. Thank you so much. Wish you all a happy and a prosperous New Year 2026. That's it with my video today. Thank you for watching. Kindly support by subscribing and sharing. Meet you all in next video. Thank you once again.